Alright, hi, good night. It's the 13th of January 2019, and this is week 2 since we started back the Trade of the Week Club for 2019. So I want to make sure that we cover 3 pairs tonight. We're going to be looking at oil, the Euro New Zealand, and gold. Alright guys, so let me start with gold because we looked at this last week. So last week I said I expected the market to fall. The market just went sideways. My analysis has not changed on this, guys. So we are going to be expecting this market to fall. We have been finding support right now at 1284.21, guys. So all we need is the market to close below this. So a close below 1284.21 on gold is going to see us come all the way back down, I believe, down to 1237.27, but we are going to wave down to there. So it's not going to be a straight fall, but we would see the market basically waving all the way down to 1237.27. So that's our target for gold. So stay bearish on gold all the way down. The Euro New Zealand. So the Euro New Zealand has been making lower lows and lower highs. We basically had a pullback to this area here, but then the market broke a counter trend line, which means that the bulls are no longer in control, and we should see this market continue falling. How I want to trade this, I am expecting a short pullback, because if we look to the left, we could see some support here. This was resistance here, so the market can potentially find support here, pushing this market back up a bit, and then we could find some more resistance at the back of this trend line or this area here, and then we should see a continuation. So my game plan is I want to sell at around 1.68828, or I want to wait for the market to close below 1.67439 and then sell a retest and then continue all the way down to this low down here at about 1.63716. So that's my game plan for the Euro New Zealand. I either want a pullback first, and then I'll be looking to sell stops above the highs here of these U-turns, or if the market continues falling, I want it to close below this area at 1.67439, pull back, and then I'm going to continue selling. That's the game plan for the Euro New Zealand. And lastly, oil. So oil finally broke. Oil was in a downtrend. You could see here we had a very steep fall on oil, and the market finally broke the trend line. We are now back at an area that can potentially be resistance. So I expect this to fall anyway, either to fall a bit and then go up and break the trend line. But just in case, sorry, not the trend line, to break this zone. But just in case it continues to push, I still don't want to buy right away. I want to make sure that the market holds. So I want to buy a retest of this area here at 53.11 for oil. But right now I expect the market to fall. So I'm waiting for a deeper correction and then the market to close above for me to buy. Or depending on the setup that I have here, we could start selling oil probably back down to about, what is this area here? Let's see. Probably back down to about $46.69 per barrel on oil, guys. All right, so we had a push from just above 40 back up to 51. We should see this come back down a bit first and then continue going up if it is going to, or if it has enough strength and it's going to go up from here. We want the market to break 53.11 and then come back to test it. That's when we'll be looking to buy back up to 58.73, and same thing as the market continues to climb higher, if that what it's going to do. All right guys, so we're looking at oil bullish, all right, because of where we're currently at, but bearish short term, bullish long term. We're looking at the Euro New Zealand dollar, bearish long term and bullish short term. So we expect a little pullback, bullish, and then a fall. And we're looking at gold to finally close below 1284.21 and then continue going bearish. That's what I'm looking at for this week, guys. We had a good week last week with over 400 pips. So we're just going to continue with this on the Trade of the Week Club, guys. Have a good night.